Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed negative to flat today, but I'll be expecting the positive momentum to continue as the short term and the medium term bias remains positive. The momentum indicator on the daily charts is on the buy side, so buy on decline should be the strategy on daily charts. This entire range has broken on the upside. It is facing resistance around 62.50 and 62.25 levels, but I'll be expecting the previous swing highs to be crossed very soon. On the hourly chart, the small flag pattern has been forming here, which is expected to break on the upside, taking support at 40 daily moving hourly moving average. The momentum indicator has given a sell signal, but I'll be expecting this entire cycle to complete till zero line, complete this triangle pattern, and then break on the upside. This entire range has broken on the upside on the hourly chart, so the strategy should be to buy on declines. Bank Nifty also looking good. I'll be expecting this entire channel to break on the upside, but at this point of time the short-term target should be around 12,500, which is the upper end of this channel. But in the very short term, support would be around 11,030 and 10,900. Resistance would be around 11,432 and 11,560. The momentum indicator has given a buy signal on the daily charts. iBull real estate is looking good. This flag pattern has broken on the upside, taking support at 20 and 40 hourly moving average. The momentum indicator is just about to give a buy signal on the hourly chart, so a good buying candidate here for a very good target, very aggressive targets. Stop loss would be around 69.40 and target would be around 73 and 75. This is a momentum call which will be flashed tomorrow morning. DLF again a momentum call. Momentum indicator on the daily charts have given a buy signal. This entire triangle pattern on the daily charts is expected to break on the upside. Very good poised, and I'll be expecting very good rally on this stock. Stop loss should be maintained at 154.50 and target would be around 161.50 and 164.50. So overall friends, things are still looking extremely good from these levels. A small flag pattern has formed on the hourly charts, so I'll be expecting this flag pattern to break on the upside and give us a target of around 63.50 in the very short term. If we sustain above 63.50, then the next target would be around 6500 in the very short term for Nifty. Thank you so much.